When you want to switch from full-time work to travel therapy, there are a few unique things you should include on your physical therapy resume. Here are 3 resume tips so that you can stand out among other travel therapists. 1. Tailor your resume to the position you're applying for. It's tempting to include lots of details on every place you've ever worked, but only include the top 3 or 4 job experiences that are the most relevant to the position you're hoping to get. However, you don't want to have huge gaps in your resume, so be sure to think about that when selecting what job history to mention. 2. Now that you picked 3 or 4 positions you want to highlight, get as detailed as possible about them. What skills did you use? How many patients did you see per day? What success stories can you share from your time there? What type of location did you work in? 3. Aside from your employment history, you'll obviously want to include your education, as well as any other certifications that you have. Mention any organizations you're part of because this makes you look good. Are you ready to apply for travel physical therapy positions? Check out alliedtravelcareers.com and test out that killer resume.